Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Bilal Hadar and you are watching Before Bilal. Guys, cities in transformation when it comes to infrastructures, buildings, skyscrapers or metropolitans is admirable. Aside from the development of world's landscape, communities' living standard has greatly changed too. Technology, trend and globalization made the people busier than before. In this video, we are going to talk about 10 most busiest cities on earth. Number 10, Mumbai. An Indian city, Mumbai is populated with 20.5 million individuals. It is the richest Indian city with a continuous supply of water and electricity and considered as the subcontinent's financial capital. Mumbai is proud to have the largest port in India's eastern region. There are increasing number of people who migrate to this city every year, aiming to have a better quality of living standard. Number 9, Dubai, a city in the United Arab Emirates, has 2.16 million population, known for its colorful nightlife, modern architecture and luxury shopping. Considered as the business hub of the Middle East, this city's tourism, transport networks, aviation, financial services and real estate have a big contribution to Dubai's economy. Number 8, Moscow. Moscow is known for its beautiful Moscow metro with over 180 stations. If you want to avoid heavy traffic, it is best to take Moscow metro than taking road transport. Its ancient structure, wonderful architectural work and cultural significance are the reasons why tourists love to visit this place. Number 7, Singapore. The safe and stable island nation of Singapore has more than 5 million population. With its friendly people and tasty cuisines, anyone would love to visit this place. No wonder there are more than 8 million tourists who travel to this place every year. Its tourism industry was booming and became the top earner. Shipbuilding. Singapore is characterized by high-tech structures, bustling airlines, fantastic shopping centers, a cosmopolitan atmosphere, and busy people rushing every day. Number 6, Hong Kong. A communist and capitalist city of Hong Kong has a population of about 4.29 million. A communist and capitalist city of Hong Kong has a population of about 4.29 billion. It is situated on China's south coast and popular for its real estate giants. Hong Kong city is probably the most advanced and modern city in the world. It also has low taxes, free trade, deep natural harbor and belongs on the list of the major trade center in the world. Number 5, Shanghai. This Chinese city, Shanghai, can be considered as the most beautiful city in the world. Located in the Yangtze River Delta with 19 million population, its fast-growing Chinese economy could make this city the world's financial center in the future. Shanghai possesses an extensive transport system of metro and buses, and it's a major shipping, administrative and trading city too. Number 4, Beijing. Number 4, Beijing. The second largest Chinese city when it comes to population is the city of Beijing. It is famous for being the primary hub for the national highway, railway, high-speed rail networks and expressway. Beijing Airport is second in the world's busiest international airport. This city is a home to entrepreneurs who love to sell products of any kind, either old aircrafts or new high-tech products. Number 3, London. London, one of the busiest cities in the world, has approximately 13 million population. Security cameras were installed anywhere for safety and protection. As this place is at risk of terrorist attacks, its airport has 1,400 flights every day, with 63 million passengers per year. London's transport system that includes buses and metro is the oldest and best. Number 2, Tokyo. Tokyo's tourist attractions are the reason why visitors love this place. This city never sleeps. Literally, its population is mainly composed of independent, business-minded teenagers, a home to Japan's imperial family, and a cultural center. This city is also considered as the fusiest modern city on the earth. Number 1, New York. This busy and noisy city of New York is populated with 19 million individuals. It receives about 50 million tourists each year and considered the largest American metropolis. Like the other cities mentioned on this list, New York is also an overpopulated city that never sleeps, a symbol of US power, capitalism, and also glamour and sophistication. Indeed, New York is the perfect destination for your next travel.